Question 21. Which SAP EWM functionality supports the scanning and verification of goods upon receipt? Correct answer. 1. RF scanning. Explanation. RF scanning enables warehouse operators to scan barcodes to verify goods at various points, such as goods receipt, put away, picking. It supports real-time confirmation, improves accuracy, and speeds up verification tasks during inbound processing. Question 22. What do you need to configure before you can create warehouse tasks for an outbound delivery order or an inbound delivery? Correct answers. 1. Warehouse process type determination. 2. Warehouse process types. Explanation. To enable warehouse task creation, the system needs to determine which type of process applies. Use the appropriate warehouse process type that contains control settings. Warehouse process type determination links delivery data with WPTS. This is essential for automation in inbound and outbound flows. Question 23. The system then creates tasks that contain a work center as the destination storage location in accordance with the VAS order. Correct answer. 1. Handling unit warehouse explanation. When value-added services are involved, the system generates handling unit warehouse tasks, directing the goods to a work center for processing. The destination is the bus work center, which is treated as a logical storage location in EWM. Question 24. What are the advantages of using a mobile device during physical inventory? Correct answers. 1. It is optional to block bins. 2. You can use collective counting for bulk storage. Explanation. Mobile inventory counting using RF devices provides flexibility, such as not needing to block bins. Efficiency with collective counting, especially in bulk or high-volume areas. These features enhance speed, reduce administrative workload, and support cycle counting strategies. Question 25. The PPI consists of the following components. Correct answers. 1. Action profile. 2. Action definition. Explanation. The post-processing framework is used in SAP EWM to automate follow-up actions, such as printing documents, sending emails, triggering background jobs. It contains action profile. Defines when and under what condition actions are triggered. Action definition specifies the technical settings for the action. Question 26. Which of the following are product warehouse tasks during put-away with process-oriented storage control? Correct answer. 1. The final process step. Explanation. Process-oriented storage control allows multiple sequential steps during put-away. The final process step involves the actual put-away of the product into its destination storage bin. Product warehouse tasks correspond to individual POSC steps, and the final one represents completion of put-away. Question 27. Which of the following is a key benefit of implementing task interleaving in SAP S4 HANA Cloud Private Edition Extended Warehouse Management? Correct answer. 1. Reducing travel time and increasing picking efficiency. Explanation. Task interleaving combines multiple types of tasks into a single round trip for a resource. This reduces empty travel time, improves resource utilization, and increases overall warehouse productivity. Particularly beneficial in large warehouses or with mobile RF devices. Question 28. What is the primary purpose of labor management in SAP EWM? Correct answer. 1. To optimize the allocation and use of human resources in the warehouse. Explanation. Labor management provides tools for tracking performance, forecasting workload, planning labor shifts, incentive calculations. Its main goal is to optimize workforce efficiency, reduce idle time, and balance workload distribution across warehouse resources. Question 29. What do you need for the preliminary inspection of handling units, inspection object type 6? Correct answer. 1. An inspection document created using RF explanation. For inspection object type 6, EWM supports preliminary inspection before goods are stored. The RF device is used to create an inspection document on the spot, enabling fast quality checks. This streamlines quality inspection for inbound logistics, especially for batch-managed or serialized items. Question 30. Your company decided to perform EWM system for automatic wave assignment with wave templates. Which prerequisites do you need to perform? Correct answers. 1. Create wave templates. 2. Define the conditions for wave template determination. 3. Set the automatic wave creation indicator for the warehouse process type that is found for the warehouse request item. Explanation. Automatic wave assignment simplifies outbound processing by grouping warehouse tasks based on templates. Prerequisites, wave templates, define grouping rules, timeframes, and priorities. Condition records, determine when and how templates apply. WPT configuration. The warehouse process type must have the automatic wave creation indicator active to trigger the process. These configurations ensure automated and timely wave creation for efficient picking and staging.